Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious guava cupcakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For sweetness, grab 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, have 8 ounces of guava paste and 4 ounces of cream cheese for the filling and frosting. Now let's create our cupcake batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients alternately with the milk, beginning and ending with the dry. Next, we'll prepare the delightful guava filling and get ready to bake. Gently melt 8 ounces of guava paste with 2 tablespoons of water in a small saucepan over low heat until smooth. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Spoon the cupcake batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. You can add a small dollop of the melted guava paste into the center of each cupcake before baking. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. For the grand finale, let's make a luscious cream cheese frosting. In a mixing bowl, beat 4 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter until smooth. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the frosting is light, fluffy, and wonderfully creamy. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, pipe or spread this delicious frosting generously on top. Enjoy your homemade guava cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.